Today is June 21st and this marks the beginning of summertime, and we refer to this as the summer solstice. On December 21st, that is what we consider the shortest day, and we mark that as the winter solstice. Now, the reason why we have these two solstices that are happening throughout the year is because the Earth is tilted on its axis, and this has a knock-on effect to our seasons. So between March and September in the Northern Hemisphere, we refer to this as our kind of spring-summer. Now, between September and March, we refer to that as our kind of autumn and winter time, and the opposite is true in the Southern Hemisphere. So the reason for that is because, as I say, of the Earth's axis, and we are not on a straight line on sitting on the axis. We're actually tilted for about 23.4 degrees, and this is having a knock-on effect of how much sunlight the Earth is receiving. So between March and September, the Northern Hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and this is why we have longer days and more hours of sunshine. Between the months of September to March, we're actually tilted away from the sun, and this means that we're having a kind of autumn-winter time. We're having our shorter days and much darker days as well. So when we mark these days of June 21st and December 21st, this used to be how people would mark out summertime and wintertime. However, these days we tend to use temperature records instead of actually using the dates themselves. But it all marks the time of the beginning of summer and the beginning of winter.